Hello everyone, good evening. Where is my line pala? Wait. Good evening po to everyone. I hope naririnig niyo ako. Please let me know kung naririnig niyo ako, no? Check ko lang po muna dito sa aking Facebook, but actually I have surprise for you. Meron tayong gagawing raffle today. I hope nandiyan kayo. Pag wala kayo dito, hindi niyo makukuha yung inyong prizes. Okay? Sandali lang po dahil isi-share ko lang ito sa ating chat room. Okay, puntahan muna natin yung ating page. Okay, Tita Lola here once again, guys. We are live. We are live. And if you're sharing my live, guys, so ko lang po malam. Okay. We are live, and if you're sharing my live, guys, yan, syempre, kasama kayo sa raffle kung mag-share kayo ng live. We are live, and if you're sharing my live, guys, yan, syempre, kasama kayo sa raffle kung mag-share kayo ng live. We are live, and if you're sharing my live, nag-echo lang po, sandali. We are sharing my live sa ating chat room, no? Meron po tayong raffle today because this is the end of the month. And we want to share whatever we are earning from here in Live Good, guys. Yes, kahit konti, kahit papaano. All right. I'm just sharing it to our chat room. We have 7 chat rooms right now. Yes, hindi ako maka-play ng music because the last time I played music, nababan po yung may music, ano? Live. Yan. So, nag-share lang po tayo. So, para malaman nila yung ating cash raffle for today. Yan. Ito po yung aming monthly raffle dito po sa mga members natin ng Income Builder, Global Income Builder team. Right, Global Income Builder team po kami. So if you want to join our team, we have our own personal team site po, no? We have, you can go to main.livegoodpros.com. Yan, sinishare ko lang po sa ating chat room so people will know. Baka matawag ang kanilang name because I'll be doing the raffle, and everyone who will be picked here will get a cash through their credit wallet. You know, that's where I'm sending the cash rewards po sa credit wallet. Right. Yan. There you go. Okay, I hope nandyan na po kayo. If you're the first viewer, that's good. Baka may special raffle pa tayo sa first viewer o sa first to comment there, no? Diba? So, isi-share ko lang po sa aming Facebook group. We also have our own Facebook group. Yun pong Global Income Builder Team sa Facebook, Live Good for Filipinos and International Partners. Nandun po kami. So, share ko lang din po doon for a while. Para naman masaya tayo every month, di po ba? Meron po tayong konting pinagkakaabalahan. So, yung first commenter natin, first viewer, baka makasama pa kayo dito sa ating raffle na ginagawa. Yan. Sinishare ko lang po ito sa ating group. Yan. Facebook group. All right. Yan. I think na-share ko na po siya. I hope meron na tayong viewers. Yes, our first viewer, Coach Gloria Orense. Yes, thank you so much, Coach from Japan. All right, nandiyan na siya, ang ating lovely Coach from Japan. Surprise pa yung gagawing raffle today. Yan, ipahinaan ko lang po itong ating, and then, yes, papakita po natin yung ating surprise for today, end of the month, raffle po ng aming team. So, nandiyan na po yung mga pangalan. Mamaya, babanggitin ko po yung mga pangalan ninyo. So, let me know kung hindi kayo nabanggit kasi talagang nag-scroll down ako for my October post, no, na nakita ko yung pangalan ninyo, nag-comment kayo o nag-share ng aking live. Guys, kung nag-share kayo ng live ko, you have 2 points, or yung mga multiple times na nag-comment, no, hindi lang sila nagla-like, hindi lang sila nag-puput ng ano doon, ng mga love and likes, no. Yun pong nagko-comment, of course, binigyan ko po yun ng credit, no, another name para multiple po yung name nila sa amin. Yung nag-share ng ating live, of course, meron din silang multiple names sa ating raffle. So, hintayin po natin sila dito sa ating raffle for today. End of the month raffle po. Raffle ng Global Income Builder Team. Live Good po! Filipinos, nalaglag ang aking iPad. Right. Ano ba yan? Nalaglag na. Hindi ko na yata alam ayusin. Okay, guys. Sandali lang. Okay. Share my live po. Share our live para masaya. Yan. Ano na ba itong ayaw nang maayos nitong aking. There you go. Mali. Dito pala. Dito pala yung magnet. Saan pa yung magnet ko? Okay guys, share lang po ng live natin or comment po kayo below para makasama kayo sa ating raffle, end of the month raffle. Ayun, nag-clip na siya. So, ilagay natin dito. Okay, ito po ang yung Tita Lola. Kagadating ko lang po from the grocery. That's why ginabi-gabi tayo ngayon, ano? So, yan po yung ating pinapaliwanag kanina. May raffle po ang aming team today, end of the month raffle. So, last Saturday of the ano ba? 1st November na pala. So, sa mga nagse-celebrate ng kanilang All Saints Day dyan, ano, pray na lang po natin sila, ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. Willie Mando, thank you for watching. Nako, kung nag-comment ka sa previous no October, sa October post ko, kung nag-comment ka, nag-share ka, nag-like ka, kasama ka sa raffle natin every month. Global Income Builder Team Raffle po tayo. Okay. Now, bago po tayo mag-raffle, syempre, as always, excited po ang inyong Tita Lola. Lagay ko muna dito yung raffle natin. Yan. Yes, we're gonna have raffle today, guys. So, syempre, excited tayo to show our itong bagong order ng tita. Okay, Live Good products po ito. Bagong dating ng order, bagong kukuha-kuha ko lang. Alam niyo naman, Live Good is offering as an online shop, no? But you don't have to buy anything. There's no pressure or quota here in Live Good. So, napakagaang negosyo, napakadaling gawin, ano? Walang pressure, walang quota, especially sa aming mga oldies, no? We don't like the quota anymore. Yung mga other previous company natin who's asking us to buy monthly, wala po tayong monthly shipping dito. You buy when you like. And also with your online shop, no? Sa inyo po yan habang buhay, gamitin po ninyo. Willie Mando, gamitin mo yung iyong online shop, no? Every day, pwede kang bumenta tulad ko, no? 'Di ba? Sayang yung website mo, ibukas ninyo yung inyong tindahan. You have your own personal shop and the whole world can purchase from your shop. Willie Mando, right? So ito po yung aking few orders ngayon na yan, favorite ko. Collagen peptides, guys. Ang collagen peptides is so good for your nails, hair, no, bone, joint, and skin, of course, di ba? Yan. Kailangan po dito ng mga kababaihan, especially yung mga oldies na katulad ko, di ba? Age 40, tama lang yan na gumamit na po kayo dito, mag-start na po kayo dito dahil unang-unang nangyayari sa atin kapag tayo tumatanda, guys, nako, yung kuko mo nagbabago na yan or yung buhok mo nalulugas na yan, ano? Ibalik ninyo yung health sa ating scalp. and that this collagen peptides can help you guys. Okay, so meron lang po akong sasabihin. I just want to warn you, no? Dun sa TikTok kasi, meron akong tinrial. I tried another collagen peptides just to check, you know, how good are collagen, no? That other one po, ano yata yan, no? It starts with micro, and I really tried it. Nako, sayang ang pera ko doon. Walang sinabi sa formulation ito. Ang effect, tinry ko siya for a few weeks, and you know, talagang hindi siya nakaka-help, hindi siya nakakatulong sa aking hair, sa aking nails and joints. Guys, balik tayo sa collagen, dito po tayo. This is the only highest quality collagen peptides I've ever used. Only collagen from Live Good, guys. Okay? So ito po yung order ko ngayon. And of course, nako guys, you see, organic plant-based protein. Complete na po ito. Complete plant-based protein, ano? Plant proteins, all essential amino acids, nandito na din siya. Talagang napakasarap, napakaganda. This is USDA and delicious vanilla flavor, guys. You know what? Ang laki po nito. This is so big. 874.5 grams. Imagine that. Na napakamura lang nito, guys. Teka, tingnan natin dito sa aking resibo. Here on my receipt. Malaki na po ito kasi yung old, we have the old ones, which is, I think, 300 something. I don't know kung meron ako ditong bottle. Right. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah. This is the old one that we are using, no? This is only 467. So, dinoble po yung size natin, ano? So, we now have a double size, double content, at pinasarap. Talagang this is organic, and it only cost you, guys, $34.95. Imagine, talagang wholesale price po ito because, mind you guys, kung lalo na kung nandiyan kayo sa Pilipinas, I know, napakarami pong nagkaka-cancer na dyan sa Pilipinas. There are a lot of friends of mine na nagka-cancer, family na nagka-cancer, who used to use the Coffee Mate, guys, in the Philippines. Yung mga 3-in-1 coffee dyan, guys, slowly, that's killing you, okay? That's killing you. I'm telling you, kahapon, nakagabi, nakikinig ako sa TikTok. At yun din ang topic nila, no? Usong-uso yung 3-in-1 coffee dyan sa Pilipinas. Hindi nila nalalaman, unti-unti silang pinapatay. So, change guys, from that, how do you call that? Non-dairy creamer. Okay? All the non-dairy creamers sa Philippines. Forget about it, guys. Itapon nyo yan, mga 3-in-1 coffee ninyo. Okay? Bumili kayo ng, kung gusto nyo ng creamer sa inyong coffee, this one is so delicious. Okay? Magmula nung natikman ko to for the whole year, 1 year ko na pong gamit ito, more than 1 year ko nang gamit ito, at nakakatuwa kasi medyo malaki na tong binigay nila sa amin, no? Only 34, talagang wholesale price na po ito kasi kung bibili nyo to sa iba, this is $90 or more. Okay? So yan po yung ating very famous, organic, napaka-delicious. Kahit po gawin ninyo sa, ilagay lang natin sa ating smoothie. Mahilig ba kayo sa smoothie? Kung hindi kayo mahilig sa coffee, ilagay nyo sa smoothie. Mahilig ba kayo sa mga, you know, yung avocado, no? Yung, di ba nilalagyan natin ng milk yan? Sanay-sanay tayo sa Philippines. Yung avocado, nilalagay lang natin sa as dessert na natin. This one is so good, guys. Hindi ninyo kailangang maglagay ng sugar, ha? Wala pong sugar needed dito dahil ang kagandahan nito, this is sweetened by stevia. Yung stevia, yung leaves po yun, ano? Marami hindi nakakaalam ng stevia. Dahon po yun. So may dalawang stevia po, yung white stevia and yung green stevia. Yung green stevia, gamit ko po yan sa aking baking, okay? Once again, this is only $34.95 po. Okay, ang laki-laki, yan. So lagay natin dito. And also, ang order ko po ngayon, of course, hindi naman mawawala ito sa akin. Sino ang mahilig sa coffee? Type dyan, me. me, coffee, no? Guys, ang ating organic coffee is total, right? This is only 17.95, yeah? Okay? By the way, pag nawawala po yung aking signal, is because our internet is really, ang internet po namin, it's on and off, on and off. So, just stay tuned and I'll be here. Di po ako aalis, okay? So, dyan lang po kayo. And, yeah, balik tayo sa organic coffee natin. Organic coffee, this organic coffee has maca for mental clarity and green tea for brain functions. And this is also weight loss coffee, guys. Weight loss coffee, which means, syempre sa mga nagpapasexy dyan, no? USDA, organic po siya. Ayan. Ayan po yung seal. Okay, so I hope nakikita natin, organic coffee. Now, may 6 mushroom po ito, kaya napaka-nutritious ng ating organic coffee. This is $17.95. Ang net weight po niya is 172.5 grams, kaya napakalaki. Okay? So, ito pa, nagagamit ko to kasi ng 1.5 months, sometimes 2 months, kasi I don't use the whole scoop kasi for me, yung taste niya matapang, no? Hindi na po ako masyado sa matapang na kape. More on this pa tayo. Ito din, ang half of, half scoop lang ang gamit ko. Minsan, 1/3 of scoop kasi napaka-delicious po ng plant-based protein natin, creamer. Okay? So, ito yung ating organic coffee. Don't go away, guys. May raffle tayo mamaya. Mention nyo na lang sa mga team natin na may raffle tayo. Ano? This is the raffle mamaya. Now, ano pa? Yung mushroom coffee natin, we have 6 mushroom in here. Okay? Cordyceps, shiitake, reishi, no? Kung natatandaan ninyo yung Ganoderma, di ba naging usong-uso yan sa Pilipinas, yung Ganoderma, right? Yun lang, Ganoderma coffee lang dati binebenta. Well, nandito po siya. That is the reishi. So, Ganoderma, and then lion's mane, and turkey tail, and shiitake. Na-mention ko bang lahat? Ulitin natin, baka hindi na-mention. Okay? So, meron po siyang cordyceps, reishi, which is yung Ganoderma, king's trumpet, okay? Shiitake, lion's mane, and turkey tail. So, na-mention ko ba? 6 coffee, tama? Kung 6 type po yung 6 natin dyan. Once again, organic po ito. At napakasarap, no? Napakasarap kung gusto nyong mawala. Alam niyo naman ang mushroom, inflammation, di ba? Nilalabanan niyan yung mga inflammation. And maraming namamatay sa inflammation, guys. Okay? So, ito po yung isa sa order ko. And lastly, 4 lang po itong order ko, which is what is missing. Yan. Yeah, collagen peptides, by the way, is $27.95 lang. Wow! You know, guys, when I'm buying the collagen from Whole Foods, it's $69.95. $69.95. So, nakita nyo, no, kung gaano katipid, gaano yung savings natin, $27.95 lang yung bili dito sa sa Live Good natin, $27.95. Yung dati kong binibili sa Whole Foods, $69.95. Okay? Yan. Siyempre, every order meron tayong sticker. Yan. All right. So ito po yung pang-apat sa order ko in this bag. Yes. Sarado natin, lagay natin 'to. Ay, hindi na ako nakikita. So yung pinaka-order, huli sa order ko po is multivitamins, guys. Pag hindi ako naka-take ng multivitamins ng Live Good, talagang ramdam na ramdam ko yan, guys. Okay, kaya hindi kayo dapat magpawala nito, no? Bago mawala, kailangan mag-order na kayo. Kung kaya nyo mag-order ng dalawa o 3, lalo na sa mga nasa Pilipinas, ganun po. Ang pag-order po natin kapag nasa other countries tayo, at least mag-ipon kayo ng konti para makatipid kayo sa shipping, at least 3 products to 5 products. Yes, kasi nagbabago po yung presyo kapag ng shipping kapag 3 items, lalo na itong magagaan, yung daily essential natin. By the way, ang presyo po ng multivitamins, 2 yung multivitamins natin, isang Ano ba to? May kinain ako kanina. Ako'y nahihili. Nangangati. Now, ang multivitamins po natin is only $9.95. Ano ba yun? Ba't hindi ko nakabisado? Yun pa naman ang pinakakabisado ko. $9.95 guys, multivitamins for men and women. Meron pong for men, meron for women. Okay? So, meron pa po ako dito. So, hinahanda ko lang yung mauubos ko itong isa. Okay? So, pinakamaganda po nating hindi aalisin sa ating everyday, no? Yung sa mga gustong magsimula pa lang with their health here in Live Good. Ito pong 3 daily essentials natin, guys. Multivitamins, D3, and magnesium, no? Sabi nga nila, ang magnesium affects 300 enzymes in our body. All right? Nahirapan yata akong magsalita. Nangangati na lamunan ko. D3 po is very, very good for lalo na nung nagka-COVID tayo, no? Ito po yung unang vitamins na sinabi ng mga doktor na huwag tayong magpawala. D3, K2. And kanina, as announced po sa ating every Friday, we have an announcement from our CEO, di ba? So, ang D3 po, babaguhin ang formulation. Meron na namang idadagdag. Okay? Guys, dyan muna kayo ha. Kukunin ko yung drinks ko dahil yung lalamunan ko, hindi ko maintindihan. Okay. So mga may anak, multivitamins for children, organic, really, meron kayata. Thank you for watching, Coach Merly Prudente. May raffle po tayo mamaya. May raffle po tayo. Stay there. All right. So, sandali lang. What else ang ating mga products? So, 4 products po yung na-order ko ngayon. Doon sa mga naghahanap sa pain nila, no? Meron po tayong CBD pain cream. Meron din tayong CBD. Ito yung pinapatak ko sa aking lalamunan sa gabi bago ako matulog. Anti-cancer po itong ating CBD. The other one that we have, hindi ko pa sinauubos ito. Organic po ito, guys. Okay? Yung mga nagtatanong about cancer dyan. Hormonal balance for women, kailangan natin ito, guys. Ang daming nagtatanong sa akin ng kanilang PCOS, yung mga ganon, or yung it also help on menstrual cramping, no? Ease bloating, improve mood. You know, guys, yung content nito, napakarami. Yan. So, punta po kayo sa website ko. Ito yung website ko. Makikita nyo yung content, no? What contains this hormonal balance for women? Magugulat kayo kasi lahat po nung nakalista dito, tinitake ko yan individually dati. Okay? So, ang nangyari with this product, nakatipid na ako kasi nandito na siyang lahat eh. Dati individualized bottle ko po yan. Doon po sa mga sumasakit-sakit ang kasukasuan. Ito po napakalaking tulong sa akin, yung Factor 4, guys, because I'm having pain. I'm starting to have pain in my lower back last year. Before the launching ng ating Factor 4, I have this heaviness in my back. I can't bend. I can't twist, you know, on my bed, no, while you're sleeping or when you're, because I think that's from prolonged sitting because of my work in the computer. Factor 4 po, guys, ang malaking naging tulong sa akin. Okay? Totally, I don't have the pain anymore. So, if you know someone who is suffering from pain, Factor 4 is my high recommendation. Okay? So, when I started using Factor 4, I got rid of that pain. Wala po. I can bend, I can dance, you know, with this, no? Sinabi ko nga sa anak kong babae kasi she's nurse din, so may alam din siya sa ganito. Nag-i-start na yata yung back pain ko as an old woman, ano? Kasi syempre tumatanda na tayo. I'm 63 years old. So, that was before na hindi pa tayo nag-launch ng Factor 4. So, when this was launched, order po ako agad ng 3. And boom, I cannot stop this Factor 4. What are in the Factor 4, guys? Tandaan nyo po, omega-3. Omega-3. CoQ10. Ngayon nyo lang narinig yung CoQ10, right? CoQ10, turmeric, garlic oil. My goodness, right? So, kailangan po ito lahat ng tumatandang tao. All right? So, super mura. I think this is only $18. Factor 4, guys. Don't forget, for pain. Okay. Ano ko ba to? All right. Yes, marami pa pong product. We have a lot of products in our store. So if you can visit our store, guys, much better. My store is here. And also, we just launched, last Thursday, we just launched our health website, no, that gives you an assessment of your health. So if you want to try that, just visit getfreehealthreport.com. Okay, I forgot to put here. Getfreehealthreport.com. Once again, getfreehealthreport.com. Just go there, guys, and check about your health. Okay? Check your health. Kasi marami pong tulong doon. They can analyze what's lacking in you. Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka makakain, hindi ka makapag-lose ng weight, ano? Sakitin ka ba? May joint pains ka ba? No? May heart problem ka ba? May eye problem ka ba? Ano pa yung mga tanong doon? Napakarami pong questionnaire doon that will assess your health condition. Okay? Libre po yun. Just go to getfreehealthreport.com. Alright? Sa mga member na, wag po kayong pupunta doon. May sarili po kayong health report sa inside your dashboard, guys. Okay? So, sa mga member na, don't go there. Yun pong mga hindi pa member ng Live Good, pumunta po kayo doon sa start. Ang website po ay getfreehealthreport.com. That's where you wanna go para ma-assess po yung inyong health, kung ano yung kulang, kung ano po yung i-recommend namin. That is created by Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Makikita po ninyo yung kanyang video. Try to listen a little bit. And then click the orange button there and submit, answer all the questionnaire doon po sa ating website, and you can get an assessment of your health. So matutulungan po kayo. Kung meron kayong kakilala na kailangan ng assessment, so ipasa nyo lang po yung ating website na yon. If you forget that, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin and I can give you the website. Once again, getfreehealthreport.com. All right? So, how many minutes na ba ako dito? Guys, napaka-simple lang po ng business, ng ating business kung tutusin. Ano? Sinasabi ko sa iba, kung naghahanap ka ng business at wala ka pang maisip, or sometimes, syempre, nag-iisip ka ng baka malaki ang puhunan, all right? So, ang Live Good po ay napakaliit na puhunan at napaka-gaang business na i-manage. All right? So, manage. Just give your business like 15 minutes a day. So, kung saan po yung free time nyo? Let's say, nagko-coffee kayo sa umaga, you're preparing for work. No? Saglit na saglit lang, 15 minutes. Or, kapag bago ka matulog, ako minsan nakahiga na, no? While you're in bed. Alam ko, marami sa inyo, bago matulog, hawak-hawak yung kanilang cellphone. So, ano ang ginagawa? Nagdududot-dot sa cellphone nila. Why not give 15 minutes of your time to live good business, guys? No, andali. I-promote mo lang yung mga ipinapasa naming mga, how do you call that, banner or marketing material. Sometimes I'm doing video. Ako po, everyday, dedicated po ako sa paggawa ng marketing materials for our team. Since I joined Live Good, there's no day na hindi ako nagpasa ng marketing materials. Ang nangyayari po sa iba, sasabihin nila siguro hindi sila kikita kasi wala naman po silang ginagawa, no? No, hindi po katulad namin, kumikita kami kasi meron kaming ginagawa. Okay? So, ang pagkakaroon po ng business, of course, kailangan minamanage mo yan. Hindi pwedeng natuwa ka, merong malaki ang kita, akala mo kikita ka din ng gano'n, nang nakaupo ka lang. Hindi po gano'n ang pagninegosyo, okay? Simpleng-simple po ang business ng Live Good. Unang-una, you can join here by just a one-time payment of $40. Magkano ang $40 sa Pilipinas? 2005? Magkano ba? Please type there. Ang $40 sa Pilipinas, ang exchange yata ngayon ay $56 or 58. Sabihin na nating 60. Napakaliit po niyan para magsimula kayo ng negosyo at isang negosyo na walang expiration. Okay? Walang expiration. Sa inyo na yung website na ibibigay ng Live Good, sa inyo na lifetime. So, ang ating profession, hindi yan nabapasa sa ating mga anak kung ano yung tinapos mo, right? Kailangan nilang tapusin din. Kung engineer ka, kung doktor ka, you know what I mean? Pero ang negosyo mo, na pinalago mo, pwede mong ipasa. Okay? Pwede mong ipasa sa family mo. $40 guys. Sa iyo na yung website. Loaded with high quality products at very affordable prices. Bakit ako lumipat sa Live Good? Done buying from the grocery or buying from the pharmacies or buying from other companies, guys. I saved a lot. I saved about $300 from Live Good. Okay. So why will I buy from them, right? So kahit sabihin natin hindi ka kumita, pero kung product user ka, malaki po ang savings ninyo. Now, pinapahinga ko lang yung aking lalamunan. Guys, one time $40. Imagine, bigyan ko po kayo ng sample. Dito po, since 2006, ang pinaka-famous na online shop na pwede kang mag-join, hindi yung networking, ay ang Shopify. Alright? Shopify. Nakita ninyo yung price? $29.95 ang minimum dyan. $29.95 per month. So, yan yung pinakamababa, no? Pero kakaunti ang option mo dyan. Ang pinakamataas dyan is 2,300. Pinasa ko kanina yon sa ating chat room. Shopify is the famous e-commerce business here in the US since 2006. Ang kanilang members, they already have 2 million since 2006. Anong gagawin mo dyan? After you pay $29.95, I'm sure hindi magkakasya yan dahil yan yung pinakamababa. Magbabayad kayo ng mas mahal. And kayo yung mag-upload ng product. Lately, I think 2 years ago, nakipag-tie up sila sa mga products like Overlaw, Spocket. Tinawag nila yun yung automation. Kino-connect nila yung mga products sa kanilang store. But again, kakaunti lang yung products mo dyan sa $29.95 per month. Nakikita nyo po $29.95 per month. Okay. Para po makuha ninyo yung ibang product na binibenta nila, magbabayad kayo up to 2,300 a month. Kaya? Hindi. $29.95, hindi po kakayanin yan. Okay? Sa Live Good, wala. Wala kayong monthly about your website. Meron po kaming membership club that is optional kung gusto mo makasave ng product at ayaw mo lang maging reseller. Okay? Magkaiba po yon. Dalawa po yung option mo dito. Naintindihan? So kung ayaw mo ng membership, that's okay. Hindi ka magbabayad ng $9.95. Get your shop one time $40. Alright? Naintindihan? Another company that is famous here, pinapakita ko sa inyo. Yung nasa baba, ClickFunnels. Magkano yung nakikita ninyo dyan sa ClickFunnels? Guys. Ang pinakamababa po dyan, $37 per month. Mag-Google kayo, hindi ko kayo niloloko, $37. Yung susunod na step, kasi may step po yan, $97. Ayan. Yung last nila, yung enterprise, no, syempre gusto mo marami ka ng gamit, no? $297 per month po yan. Okay? I hope na appreciate nyo ang Live Good. One time $40, Willie Mando. And the rest, na hindi inaasikaso yung kanilang website. 50 people, ang alam ko, hindi inaasikaso yung kanilang website na pwede nilang pagkakitaan. Mga tao na sinasabi, busy ako. Mga tao na hindi ko maintindihan kung gaano sila ka-busy sa kanilang trabaho. Ako po mas busy kasi mas marami akong inaasikasong business. Ikaw, kung mahilig kang magkape o mahilig kang magluto, ako po nagluluto, nanunood ako ng tutorial dito sa aking iPad, sa aking cellphone. Ganun lang po kasimple. Kasi with this website na sinabi ko sa inyo na mahal with Shopify, $29, almost $30 a month. ClickFunnels, $37 a month. At marami pa pong ibang website. I know, kasi ako po ay web designer and I design website for other people, doctors, mga e-commerce, mga other balloon artists, mga director ng pelikula dito sa USA, no? Mga award-winning directors, mga actors, actresses, nagawan ko yan ng website. Mahal po ang bayad kapag sarili mo ang website. Binigyan tayo ng Live Good ng ating sariling website one time. Sa other platform, magbabayad po kayo, aside from this na sinasabi ko, $16 to $39 a month. Sana naiintindihan niyo po kung gaano kaganda. Hindi po namin kayo pinipilit na magbenta o bumili. Just buy this shop one time. And ang isang option po, yung membership club. Uulitin ko yung membership club na hindi naiintindihan ng iba. Sasabihin hindi sila kumita. Hindi po kami investment. We are not a financial advisor. We are not an investment company. We are business and membership club is optional. The membership club is just for you to make sure na ang family mo is using high quality products na nakakasave ka naman. Okay? Nakakasave. Huwag po kayong maghintay dyan. Napakaraming naghihintay ng mga ginawang investment ang Live Good. Kahit anong company sa Pilipinas, babibilin po kayo ng monthly para kumita kayo dun sa kanilang tinatawag na business. Only in Live Good na binibigyan ka ng opportunity na gumamit ng high quality product at affordable prices ng walang pressure. Lahat po ng networking companies, kailangan po ninyong bumili bago kayo kumita. Maraming pinagtatawanan ang membership club namin, pero ang membership club po ng Live Good, can you imagine na habang nakikinabang ka dito sa discounted product, kumikita ka na. Kasi yung savings mo pa lang dito, income na yan eh, nailagay mo na sa bangko mo. Now, the next thing, binigyan po tayo ng privilege ng company na magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na matrix or network. Nagkataon lang po, pero hindi po yun investment. Alright? It doesn't work like an investment. Nagkataon lang that the company, while you're there being a member, there is an opportunity for you to get little, just a little, at the beginning kung kayo po ay waiter lang. Waiter means naghihintay lang or naging member lang dahil gusto lang ng products. Pero kung gagayahin niyo po kami at gusto niyong magkaroon man lang ng additional income, no? 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, well, you better start promoting the product while you're using the product. Kasi ang mangyayari po, mas tinutulungan niyo yung mga tao. Hindi pwedeng pumasok ka dito, huwag ka na lang pumasok kung aayawan mo lang. No? Kung reklamador ka lang, kung maghihintay ka lang ng spillover. Okay? Huwag na po kayong pumasok. Total, bebentahan pa rin namin kayo eh. Bibili kayo ng retail price, di ba? Mas matutuwa pa ako kung bibili kayo ng retail price from my store. Ayan po yung aking store, livegoodpros.com. Tama, guys? Naintindihan kung ano ang Live Good? Kung gaano kaganda ang Live Good? We are a movement, guys. Sorry. Gusto na po nating matanggal yung mga old-fashioned way, yung mga old program wherein itong halaga na to na pagkakagawa siguro ay about $10, $5, binebenta nila ng $60.80. Walang networking company na hindi nagbebenta ng $60, $80, $100. Guys, only Live Good offers the wholesale prices. Only Live Good. Okay? Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. 100%. Yes, Coach Kay Gloria from Japan. Mag-join po kayo kung gusto niyo ng Live Good Japan. Kay Gloria, the best team leader po yan. Hindi kayo iiwanan. Yes, hindi po kayo iiwanan. Okay? So, Team Japan, thank you so much. Guys, I hope naiintindihan ninyo yung ating ipinapaliwanag dito, how good ang program ng Live Good. Okay? So, kung what else ang sasabihin natin? Yes, so no quota, no pressure, wala po kaming binary. Wala po tayong balancing left and right. Okay? So, we launched last December 13, 2022. Kaya sa mga bago pa lang dyan, this is the right time na makapag-join kayo sa Live Good. Okay? So, I think that's it for today. And pupunta na po tayo sa ating raffle. Oh, wheels of name. Nawala na yung mga wheels of names ko. Okay, sasabihin po natin yung mga pangalan na nakasama dito sa wheels of names. And I hope you can tell me if your name is not mentioned. Magpapamigay po ako ng 3 cash reward as usual. Sa ipapadala, I will send that to your credit wallet po, no? Sa mga members ng Global Income Builder Team. Once again, kung hindi pa kayo member, just visit our team site, which is main.livegoodpros.com. If you cannot memorize that, message me, message our team. Yan pong mga nagka-comment dito. They are our team leaders sa Japan. Oh, thank you for watching, Parve Saluja from Florida, USA. Wow, you're so lucky you're in Florida. You know, if I'm in Florida, I'll be in the office every day. Yes. Kailan ba tayo nag-start? Anong oras ba tayo nag-start? Yes, we're gonna do a raffle, guys. All right. Yan. Comment lang po dyan kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan. You can comment. And yes, 6:29. It's already 7. All right, that's the best time na po. 30 minutes na po ako. So, we better do the raffle now. Wheels of names. Okay, mention po natin. I'll mention the name kung hindi ko po na kayo na-mention. And you remember na nag-comment kayo before sa aking live. If you commented in my past live this month of October, let me know so I can include you here. And what date is that? Okay, so we have the names. All right, here are the names po. Listen, Imelda Villaluna, you have 2 entries po dito, no? Repeat natin yung Imelda Villaluna. Susan Tismo, 3 entries. Kasi tinitriple ko lang po yung name once na alam kong nakapag-double-double na sila ng message or like or comment from my shop. Oops, napindot ko siya. All right. Julie De Vera, yeah, may 1 entry. Merly Prudente, you have at least 5 po yun, pero 3 lang yung maximum na nilalagay natin ng name. Yeah, Merly Prudente, Medi Parahele, of course, nandito sa listahan. Of course, meron siyang 3 and 3. Rowena Canlas, kasama po siya sa ating raffle for today, guys. I'm just reading po yung mga entry sa raffle. Lourdes Pineda, Eduardo Salvador, Madonna Kiray, Kay Gloria, you have 3 and 3 names here as well. Aileen Dikina, Marian Pasha, Risa Alivar, Julian Hill, Reynald La Rochelle, Behilda Soriano, Corazon Patino, Bella Odija also has 3 entries. Jamel Jones is also here. Erlinda Tismo, Santos Ferdinand, Reynold Bascos, Marinel Lumbao, Parvesh Saluja. You got 2 entries here as well. Okay? So, ayan po yung ating, these are the names of the people who are included in our raffle today. Okay. All right, guys, we will start the raffle. Oops. It keeps on refreshing. Yan. Okay. I'm gonna click the wheel. This is how it looks like. This is the wheel of names, guys. Okay, I'm gonna click it now. Lagay natin dito. Let's take away this. Let's take away our product, CBD cream, sa mga sumasakitang kasukasuan. Okay, guys. Alisin muna natin yung ating... There you go. I hope you can see it. Don't worry, ilalapit ko po siya sa naging winner. So, first to win cash po here. First to win cash, we will do now. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my God, who is that? Corazon Patino. Wow, congratulations to Miss Corazon Patino. Are you with Live Good Global Team Builder? Yes, Corazon Patino, congratulations. Dapadala na lang po, your cash will be sent to your credit wallet. Say, can you see that, guys? Okay. Okay, we will delete. Wow, first winner, first join niya po yan, remove natin. Alright, swerte naman, nag-iisa yung pangalan, only one name, no? Diba? So, once again, another one. Up! Who is that? Ferdy Santos from California. Wow! One name lang yun, no? Nakakatuwa naman. Yes, so congratulations, Ferdy Santos. Dapat wala di ka nakasali dito, malaki na ikita mo sa Matrix. So he's earning a lot in the Matrix. He is the person who is on my first level. Nasingit siya doon. All right. So thank you so much for commenting. I hope you comment or share our live. Okay, another one. Ito na po yung last. This is the last one. We have 3 people. Oops. Okay, who is that? Susan Tismo. Very lucky woman. All right, Susan Tismo. Yan, cash winner. If you want to donate, she is gold. She is gold from the Philippines, guys. Okay, Susan Tismo, you're a winner of our cash prize. So, yeah, she is in the Philippines, lives in Project 8, Quezon City. So, if you want to join the gold member. So, yan po yung ating raffle for today. Congratulations to the winner. Ang swerte naman. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you share this live again. And if you share this live, and then you will be included with our November raffle, the end of the month raffle for Team Global Income Builder team, and also if you want to join our team, you just visit our main website, team website, mainlivegoodpros.com, guys. Okay? So, siguro next time yung iba, we will have another raffle for mid of the month, maybe for another promotions, not about likes. And meron din po, I think I will launch once again for my direct who are doing silver or ranking higher for my directs. Then we will put up again at the silver and gold cash prize once again, or yung packages, which is the ultimate pack that I'm giving before. I hope makaya. So here in Live Good, guys, it's all very easy. If you want to do the networking side, just get 2 people, and so you double your income. Okay? So join our live presenting the business. We have a lot of business presentation about the business, complete business presentation about the business. That's every, I think, Saturday, but my partners, my co-hosts are not available for this week, so I don't know if we can do it tomorrow. And yeah, so if you have any other questions, please comment below or message us, and we can help you guys in this business. The easiest, the most affordable business in the world, with our great corporate team. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky, we want to thank you. Our product formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, and our coach, Lisa, health educator, Lisa Goodkin, and also our very dear field development director, are very sweet, always smiling, Mr. Nader Kasan, who is also here in California, guys. This is a fun business that you can do from home or anywhere you are, no? With the click of your finger. You don't need to be tech savvy. We can help you. We will guide you every step of the way. And, we are so honest. We're telling you what you're going to do, what you're going to get into, because we also have been to those companies who's hiding their products or the main business concept. Here in Live Good, we are so honest. We will tell you everything of Live Good. So if you know someone who's going to retire or is planning to retire, looking for a plan B, this is the best business, guys. Who can do this? Anyone can do this, as long as you have a cell phone or an iPad or a gadget and a Wi-Fi connection, of course, right, guys? So if you want to check all our products, we have 30 plus products now. You can just visit livegoodpros.com, guys. Of course, my name is there. I'm Coach Lola. I'm retired, and I'm doing this business from home, enjoying this business. And I'm sure you will enjoy this too. All right? So God bless everyone. Good evening. It's now 7:19 p.m. here in California, USA. God bless you all. Come join our team. Bye-bye. Love you.